COVID-19 has silenced entire cities. This is the tourist metropolis of Venice. Now look at it. 100 million Europeans are on lockdown. In Italy, the number of dead and infected is rising steadily. In its latest crisis briefing, the World Health Organization urged countries to strengthen efforts to control the outbreak.
You cannot fight a fire blindfolded, and we cannot stop this pandemic if we don't know who is infected. We have a simple message for all countries: test, test, test.
In the Spanish capital, Madrid, military were on the streets telling people to go home. Spain's followed Italy's lead, confining citizens to their houses unless they have to buy food, medicine or seek medical help. Germany, the economic powerhouse of Europe, responded to the crisis on Monday by restricting public gatherings and tightening its borders with Austria, France, Switzerland, Luxembourg and Denmark. Several of Germany's neighbours, including Denmark, Poland and the Czech Republic, already closed their own frontiers. As the virus advances, the global race to produce a vaccine is gathering pace. In Germany, this firm hopes to have an experimental low-dose coronavirus vaccine ready by June or July, available for human testing. The company moved to deny reports that the US President Donald Trump offered large sums of money for exclusive access to it. Elsewhere in Europe, Paris woke to its first business day of sweeping restrictions. In the UK, where things have been more relaxed, the Prime Minister announced a new raft of emergency measures. Without drastic action now, Boris Johnson said cases of the virus could double.
Now is the time for everyone to stop non-essential contact with others and to stop all unnecessary travel. We need people to start working from home where they possibly can, and you should avoid pubs, clubs, theatres and other such social venues.
As the number of virus cases increases in Romania, a network of volunteers is growing in Bucharest to help elderly people forced into self-isolation. For the vulnerable, these are anxious times. Country after country, the situation's been deteriorating rapidly. Europe's leaders are calling on their citizens to remain united by being further apart.